What up guys, this is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I'm gonna show you how to prep the vehicle for windshield tinting. This is the right way to do it so you can avoid any issues with electronics behind the dashboard. So on every vehicle that we do window tinting on windshields, we put this soap shield rope all the way around, and then the towel all the way around behind the dashboard. That way you're preventing water from draining down the electronics or any computer behind the dashboard, so you can avoid any issues with the vehicle. We spray a lot of water when we're tinting the windshield because it's a huge piece, so it needs a lot of water so we can slide the tinting all the way down and move it around so we can fit it properly to the windshield. So we get these oversized towels from Salt Shield. They look pretty cool with the logo on it, but you can also get them from Amazon. So this is the proper way to install windshield tinting. Thank you for watching.